Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get a couple of amazing and really spicy apps for your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader free of charge from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, you go to search on your Firestick. So here's the search bar. Let's open it up. And now here in the search, start typing downloader. So let's do it together. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. However, after you get downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we'll go to the settings on your Firestick by clicking on that button with a gear icon. After that, scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And here what you have to do is turn on developer options on your Firestick. However, on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. So just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps, and now from here, what you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of applications on your Firestick. Here it is, we open it, and there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to United States right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go straight back to the list of apps on your Firestick and open up Downloader right here. And what you're going to do in Downloader is open the search bar, and in here we'll be entering the codes. So the first code will be 9 5 3 5 6 2. So once again, 953562, that is the code you have to enter. So make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then your code is not going to work. After that, click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds. Then you click on install and wait for the app to finish installing on the Firestick. And after it is installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get the option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device, which is important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And now when you go to the list of apps on your Firestick device, you will open it. And now when it's going to load, you'll find the Firestick app right here. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and anonymous online. And now let's go back to Downloader and I'll show you how to get one more amazing spicy app for your Firestick. So we got back to Downloader application. We just open the search bar and start entering the second code, which will be 647190. So once again, 647190. Hit that go button and just wait for the app to download to your Firestick. And here you go, the download of the second app has also started for us. Then you click on install and wait for the app to get installed on your Firestick. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you'll be able to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of those necessary files once again. And now we go back to the list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is. Let's open the list of applications. And finally, here's the second app which we downloaded. So let's put it up front as well, and now you got 2 amazing and really spicy apps on your Firestick. So enjoy the apps and see you next time. Bye bye.